Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can fix the issue of Snapchat not responding. So for that, first of all, you'll have to open your mobile settings and make sure that you have a very stable and strong internet connection. After that, you can come down and click on general. After clicking on general, come to VPN and device management. If you have any VPN turned on, just turn that off and check if the issue is resolved. If the issue is if your VPN is still off and still the issue is there, so you can just try connecting to a VPN, manipulating your IP address, because sometimes the issue is of geographical area. So you can just turn on VPN and get online from another city or another IP address and try opening your Snapchat, and your issue will be resolved. If not, then you can just click here on transfer or reset iPhone and click on resets, and then reset network settings or reset all settings, and after that you'll see that your issue has been resolved. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.